next model is prototype model. Okay, prototype is nothing but a snapshot. Okay, means where we are going for this particular prototype model means when there is a unclear requirements again to the customer. Means it is a big size project and he don't know the proper requirements or he is unclear about his project. At that point of time, what they will do means for every requirement they have to they will get the requirements from the customer first. After getting the requirements, according to the requirements they will design some page, HTML page. Okay, nothing but snapshot. It means after developing the particular application or functionalities, the application should be like that. You got it right, what I am trying to say?
Yeah.
Any doubts?
So they will, so based to what I understood on this is like when we got a big size project and unclear requirements, usually we go for a prototype model, which will be like what we do based on the requirement. We'll create a snapshot or a screenshot, like how the user interface will look like.
Means it will be like snapshot only because if you are clicking on the buttons or if you are clicking on the links, it won't redirect to other pages. Just it will give you HTML page. That's it. Like just snapshot. You got it right. Means I will tell you one example. Okay, if you are opening gmail.com website, okay, it will open with the page, right? Nothing but it will give you some buttons on that page, like next button or other links will be there in that page. And after that, after opening the gmail.com page, this page will come, right?
Yeah.
Now if you click on this particular create account, it will redirect to the other page.
Correct.
Right, but means while developing a particular prototype, they will design the page like this. But if you click on this particular next button, or if you click on this need help link or create account link, it won't redirect to any other pages. Just he is giving the snapshot. After developing the particular requirement, the page should be like this.
Okay.
Like
it's just a screenshot, like how you look.
Okay, they will design like that. They will go to the client place. After that, he will give representation regarding to that. After getting the particular clarification from the customer, he will come to the company again. After that, he will design the particular page with the practicals. Nothing but if you click on this next button, it should redirect to the next page. Okay, like that they will take the requirements one by one and they will take the clarity from the customer, and after that they are going to implement the particular things.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, instead of like basically instead of a flow chart, they will create like a screenshot.
They will go means they will go with the process only, but before starting the process they have to clear about the requirements. That is the thing. First they will get the requirements from the customer. After getting that, they will develop the prototype. After that, they are going to verify that. Okay, if it is perfect, then they will go for preparing SRS, design, coding, testing, and delivery. Okay, if it is a maintenance, then change request come into picture. Again, they are going to do some modifications according to the particular requirements.
Okay.
Nothing is different. The SDLC process is same.
It's just
only
the way they are
added initially. One thing will be added initially, nothing but for clearing the particular requirements, they are going to design a particular prototype. That is the difference. Okay, means what is the drawbacks of this prototype model means here the major drawback is you have to invest money every time, right, for developing the prototype. For developing the prototype means if he is accepting or not accepting means if they have to appoint us 2 or 3 developers to design that particular prototype, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Means if it is not means after developing the prototype, after going to the particular client, I don't need like this, I need like that, like this, like that. He is changing his mind. At that point of time, what you have to do? You have to take the requirements again. After that, you have to come to the company and you have to change the snapshot again, and you have to go to the particular client and you have to give the representation once again.
That's right. Yeah.
Means it's very difficult and it will take much more time to take the clarity and it will take much more amount, right?
Correct. Yeah. Time and is going to be expensive. What will come?
Means that time also will lag with the project completion time also will be getting lag, right?
Yeah.
The
That's right.
time has dragged like anything at that point of time and the amount also will take much more at that point of time. Means this project is suitable when only the requirements are unclear from the customer side. Okay, these are the introduction or information about the particular prototype model.